Assalamualaikum and good day class. In this video is actually our discussion or lecture on your lecture notes number 6. Okay? Before anything else, I highly encourage again and again that you better print the file that I have uploaded. That is the lecture number 6. Okay? So in this lecture, it is the flanged bolt couplings. As you can see in this figure, ito mismo yung flanged bolt couplings consists of bolts. Okay? Bolt yung nagtatay or bolt yung nagsiserve as the binding force para magdikit yung flanges na yan. Okay? So, in shaft connection called, this one, in shaft connection called flanged bolt couplings, see figure above, this one, the torque is transmitted by the shearing force P created in the bolts that is assumed to be uniformly distributed. For any number of bolts, the torque capacity in the coupling is this one. Okay? So, if we are to draw, first draw muna natin. Okay, this is the shaft. Okay? Okay. Assuming these are the bolts. Okay? Isipin niyo circle ayaw. Okay. This flange is being connected or being binded by these bolts. If we are to locate or if we are to solve for the force, obviously the force, for example, the force in here, force P is equal to area times the stress. Di ba? Katawan tanong to, aso stress na, di ba katawan tanong to, the formula, this formula is derived from this one. Di ba, as we all know, stress is equal to force over area. So, if you're to cross multiply this one into this stress, magiging P is equal to 8 times tau. Okay? P, our force is equal to area times stress. So, area is equal to, area is pi over 4 d squared times the stress. Gets? Gets ka na gets saya? So, ganoon yung force is equal to pi over 4 d squared times the stress. So, as you can see, in this formula, T is equal to P R N. P is the force, R is the radius. Gya radius ay R. Nagyan so distance from center. Ang ibig sabihin sa R na ito is radius, hindi radius ng bolt or hindi radius ng whole flange na ito. Ang ibig sabihin ng R na yan is yung distance ng bolt na ito from the center. This one, okay? This is the center hanggang sa bolt na yan, okay? Yan yung R na ibig sabihin nito. It is the distance of the bolt from the center of the flange. Gets? Okay, again, yung R na yan, yan yung distance ng bolt from the center of the flange. Okay? So, yung nakuha natin dito, yung P, value ng P natin, di ba, is, what is this? P natin is pi over 4 d squared times yung stress, R, at saka yung N. Yung N dyan is yung rami ng bolts. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 6 yan, 6 din yung dapat nandito. Okay? So, yan yung formula for a flange bolt couplings in which isa lang yung concentric rows ng bolts natin. Pero sir, what if yung bolts natin is meron din dito sir, ganito. For example, ganito. For example, na may pangalawang concentration. Diyan na papasok yung second case na ito, okay? So consider natin yung second case in which dalawa, 2 or more, sabihin natin dalawa, 2 or more yung 2 or more yung rows ng bolts natin, concentric bolts natin. Okay, draw tayo ulit. Actually, kung tutusin natin sa, what is this? Dito sa flange bolt couplings, walang masyadong analysis dito. All we need to do is to Or is this? I mean, this is just a formula-based type of problems. So, okay. Ibig sabihin sa 2 concentrated con is ganito. Tapos, may pangalawa dito. Okay? So, as you can see, ito yung mga bolts. Ito yung bolts class. So, yung ibig sa if dito, 'di ba? This flange bolt, 'di ba, may application of torque dito. If may application of torque dito, may mararamdaman na stress itong kwan dito, itong bolt dito. With that stress, 'di ba, let's say this is the bolt 1, the outside diameter. P1 is equal to A1 times stress 1. Okay? And kung i-consider na naman natin yung pangalawang bolt, this one, yung nasa loob na bolt, kung titingnan natin yung force nito, P2 is equal to A2. What is this? A2 and stress 2. Gets? So, ganun. Then, yung sabi natin kanina, yung R, di ba yung general formula ng torque capacity ng coupling is PRN. Kapag isa lang yung concentric rows ng bolts natin. Pero kapag dalawa, ang mangyayari is P1 R1 N plus P2 R2 N. Okay? As you can see, ito yung P1 dito, itong P1. Tapos yung R1, ito yung R1. Itong dito. Example, ito yung center. Ito yung center ng flange natin. Tapos yung distance ng first outer, what is this? Outer concentric rows ng bolts na yan is yung distance niya from the center. Yung distance ng bolt to the center. Next is yung R2. This one as well, from the center. Tapos distance niya sa pangalawang concentric rows ng flange na ito. Gets? Tapos yung N is yung rami ng, yung N1, yung rami ng first. Tapos yung N2 is yung rami ng bolt sa second. Tapos yung P1, substitute lang ito. P2, substitute lang ito. Okay? Gets na yung concept sa flange bolt couplings? As you can see, subscript 1 refers to bolts on the outer circle. Itong dito. Yung subscript 1, itong subscript 1 na ito class, yung subscript 1 na yan refers to the outer circle. Itong bolts sa outer circle. Yung 2 na ito, yung subscript 2, denotes sa, or nag-refer sa, bolts sa inner circle. Gets? So next, if you were to ask the formula of the shearing strains with regards to flange bolt couplings, all you need to do is strain R1 equals to strain 2 R2. Okay? So, just refer to this formula for you to start solving a problem that involves flanged bolt couplings. Okay? So, in next video is I will be showing you some examples concerning flange bolt couplings. Okay? So, that is all with the concept behind flange bolt couplings. Ito yung dito, yung first formula is isa lang yung row ng concentric rows. Isa lang yung row na concentric bolts. Yung sa pangalawang formula is dalawa. Okay? Dalawa yung rows ng concentric rows. Pero sir, what if tatlo sir? Obviously, dagdagan lang ito ng pangatlong terms. P plus P3, R3, and N3. Okay, gets? So next for the second video.